Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Samco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Samco Infratech. Today I am going to explain you why battery pack testing is important. But firstly, we will know what is battery pack testing. Battery pack testing means to charge and discharge any battery pack for measuring the capacity is called battery pack testing. And now we will talk about why battery pack testing is important. So, for finding the capacity of any battery pack, we need to charge and discharge that battery pack. And to know the battery conditions, we have to test every battery pack properly. After testing the battery pack, we can find a real capacity of the battery pack. Then we can decide a best battery pack for our electrical vehicles. So now we know that for measuring the capacity of battery packs, we need to test battery packs. Electrical vehicles batteries typically degrade due to temperature, cycles and time. Storage and operating temperatures have a huge impact on EV battery longevity. In general, warmer climates negatively affect the lifespan of an EV battery. And fully charging of batteries can be bad. It can cause of short circuit in batteries. Most of the time, you should only charge an EV to 80% because charging rates slow down dramatically past the 80% mark, and the long-term health of your vehicle's battery pack is improved when kept below than 100%. A fully charged battery will actually deplete quicker than if it was partially charged. Leaving your EV at 100% damages the battery cells, so it's best to avoid this if at all possible. Lower charge levels can have the same effect, so we don't recommend leaving it anything lower than 20%. So now we will know how to test a battery pack. Here you can see we have a battery pack tester machine with rating of 100 volt, 10 to 20 ampere, 7th channel. And here we have a battery pack of 48 volt, 100 Ah rating that we have connected with this machine. And this is our software interface. So let's start how to operate this machine and how to test the battery packs. So firstly, we have to create the program according to our battery pack specification. And here I have already created a program according to our battery pack. Then we need to download this program. Here we can download, then save. For starting this program, we have to start and enter the barcode. Now you can see our charging is started. For checking the per second data of our battery pack, we need to click on view data, and here we can see our battery pack each second data. And also find the curve. After finishing the program, here we can see our charging and discharging capacity. According to this capacity, we can find our best battery pack. So this is all about battery pack tester machine. For watching detailed operation of this machine, the link is in my description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.